value of the y, and then put again y is equals to 0 and substitute in the given equation and find the corresponding value of the x. Now we are getting the both x and y values in two different cases. That should be written in the form of x and y, x coordinate and y coordinate in the form of order pair, and then plot the points on the graph paper and join the points. This line drawn is a graph of a linear equation, two variables. However, the correctness of the graph is always it gives a straight line. It must be touches the either x axis or y axis, or sometimes it passes through the origin also. Let us see the first problem of the exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. First bit, third one. I will explain to you. Draw the graph of 3x plus 5y is equals to 15. How to draw the graph of the 3x plus 5y is equals to 15? Given 3x plus 5y is equals to 15. Value of x or y. If x is equals to 0, what will becomes 3x plus 5y is equals to 15. So in place of x we have to substitute 0. 3 into 0 plus 5 into y, that is equals to 15. So 3 into 0 is 0. So 5y is equals to 15. In the same way, 5y is equals to 15, y is equals to 5 will transpose. It becomes 15 by 5. It becomes 5 ones are 5 threes are. So y is equals to 3. Xy becomes x is equals to 0 we taken, y is equals to we are getting 3. So 0, 3. Next put y is equals to 0. 3x plus 5 into 0 is equals to 15. 3x plus 0 is equals to 15. 3x is equals to 15, then x is equals to 15 by 3, that becomes 5. So order pair is 5 comma 0. Let's substitute these values in the graph. First take a graph sheet and draw two perpendiculars x and y and give the numbers as given in the graph paper. And then first order pair is what much? 0, 3. So 0, x value is 0, y value is 3. This is the point 0, 3. And next 5, 0. We are getting two order pairs 0, 3 and 5, 0. So we have to plot this 2. Then we are getting these 2 points. After getting this 2, using scale join these 2 points. It gives a straight line like this. And next draw the graph of the x by 2 minus y by 3 is equals to 3. It is the fifth problem on the first bit. Now given equation is x by 2 minus y by 3 is equals to 3. Value of the variable x is equals to 0 take. When equation becomes 0 by 2 minus y by 3 is equals to 3. So 0 by 2 is 0 only. So y by 3 is equals to 3. So y is equals to 3 into minus 3. It becomes minus 9. So 0 minus 9. So y is equals to 0 take now. X by 2 minus 0 by 3 is equals to 3. 0 by 3 value is 0. So x by 2 is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 into 2, that is 6. So x value is 6 and y value is 0. Using this order base we have to draw a graph. Now here 6 comma 0 is this point and 0 comma minus 9. When x is equals to 0, y value is 9, minus 9. So while join these points we are getting a straight line like this. When you are getting a line, you may draw 4 or 5 graphs in this sheet. That's why x by 2 minus y by 3. Equation name mentioned nearby the line where we drawn. Next, second bit. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation and answer the following questions. Y is equals to x, y is equals to 2x, y is equals to minus 2x, y is equals to 3x, y is equals to minus 3x. For each and every equation derive the table x and y. X is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2, x is 1, y becomes 2 into 1, that is 2, x is 2, that is 2 into 2, 4, y is equals to minus 2x, then x is equals to 1, y becomes minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, x is equals to 2 taken, minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. In the same way, y is equals to 3x values, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 3 into 1, that is 3, x is equals to 2 taken, y is equals to 3 into 2, that is 6, x is equals to 1 taken, y is equals to minus 3x equation, y is equals to minus 3 into 1, minus 3, x is equals to 2, minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6. After getting these values, we have to all this you have to draw in a one graph. Take graph sheet and draw two lines like this, and then y is equals to x means 1 1 2 2 we are getting. So 1 1 is this point, 2 2 is this point. So join this, we are getting a straight line like this we mentioned here. Next y is equals to 2x. 1 is, if x is equals to 1, y is 2, x is 2, y is 4. You see, x is 1, y is 2, x is 2, y is 4. So 1 2 and 2 4. Just plot the points. If x is equals to 1, y is 2. If x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4. While joining this, we are getting a line like this. So that is y is equals to 2x. In the same sense, we have to draw all the graphs in graph sheet like this by using the what order pairs we are getting in the graph values in tabular forms. So after that, what we observed here, all these lines are passing through the origin or not? All are passing through the origin only. All are intersecting at origin. And all are in the form of y is equals to some number into x. Y is equals to some number into x. Here y is equals to mx. Here some questions are asked. Are all the equations of the form y is equals to mx? Yes. All the equations are of the form of y is equals to mx only. Are all the graphs passing through the origin? From the graph what we observed? In this all graphs are, all the lines, all the linear equations are passing through the origin only here. So this is also yes, all the lines are passing through the origin. What can you conclude about the graph? From the graph what we can say? All the graphs are passing through the origin and all equations are in the form of y is equals to mx. So write that only. All equations are of the form of y is equals to mx, and as well as all the lines are passing through the origin. Next, fifth problem. Draw a graph of the linear equation and find the solution from the graph. Whose y coordinate is 3, whose x coordinate is minus 3. First, so take the given equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12, and then we have to substitute value of the variable either x is equals to or y is equals to. So first I taken x is equals to 0. If x is equals to 0, the linear equation given is what? 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. X is equals to 0, substitute in this equation, then it becomes 2 into 0 plus 3 into y is equals to 12, which implies 0 plus 3y is equals to 12. 3y is equals to 12. 0 is adding or subtracting, nothing will change. So 0 plus 3y is 3y only. So y is equals to 3 is transposed. It becomes 12 by 3. 12 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So order pair is 0, 4. If y is equals to 0 taken, so 2x plus 3 into 0, in place of y we are writing 0. So that is equals to 12. 3 into 0 is 0 only. That's why 2x plus 0 is equals to 12, which implies 2x is equals to 12, x is equals to 12 by 2. That is 6. So order pair is 6, 0. First we have to write the x value and then y value. So it is 6, 0. Now take the graph values, graph and draw the two perpendiculars like this. Here 1 to 11 I plotted in on x-axis right side. Now first order pair is what, ma'am? First order pair is 0, 4. 0 and when x is equals to 0, y is 4. So you have to plot the point here, and then x is equals to 6, y is 0. So this is the another point. While joining this, we are getting a line like this. Afterwards, in the question he asked, what he asked? Find the values of the x value when y value is 3. Y value is 3. Y is 3. Y is 3 means it is y is 3. So from this you have to, y is 3 here. So from this we have to, where it touches the x-axis. So here 3 touches a line here. So take down. It is how much? 1.5. So 1.5, 3. So x coordinate is 1.5 and y is equals to 3. In the same sense, x value is minus 3. whose x coordinate is minus 3. X value is minus 3. If it is minus 3 it is. So extend until touch the y. So we have to extend this line. We have to extend this line like this. We have to extend where x is equals to 3. What is the value here? Minus 6. Minus 6. So x is equals to minus 3. Y is 6. Y is 6. That is the solution to find the coordinates if any one of the value of the x or y is given from the graph. How to find we learned. So in the similar way we have to draw the graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 from the graph value of the y when x is equals to 1. Just like the fifth one what we discussed now, in the same manner in place of this 2x plus 3y is equals to 12, we should take 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. You should take 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. You should take, and x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 take and substitute. You are getting the x and y values afterwards. When x is equals to 1, what is the value of y? We have to find from the graph only, from the graph. Understood na?